Quicken Classic Business and Personal Tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to use Quicken Classic Business and Personal to manage both your household and business finances in one place. Once you install the software and set up your account, start by linking your bank accounts, credit cards, and any business specific accounts. Quicken will automatically pull your transactions and categorize them, giving you a full view of your income and expenses. You can tag transactions as personal or business, which helps keep things organized for taxes and reporting. For personal use, Quicken helps with budgeting, tracking bills, and setting savings goals. For business, you can create custom invoices, track customer payments, and run profit and loss reports. It also generates tax schedules that syncs with TurboTax, making end of year filing smoother. The real strength of Quicken Classic Business and Personal is keeping your finances in one ecosystem, especially if you're self employed or running a small business from home.